Why ankle flexibility matters.
Ankle flexibility is crucial for balance, movement, and injury prevention. Limited range in your ankles can make everyday activities and sports more difficult, while increasing the risk of sprains or falls. By improving ankle mobility, you support your posture, stability, and joint health, making movements smoother and safer. Focusing on your ankles benefits both athletes and anyone looking to move with confidence.
Assessing your ankle mobility.
Before starting any exercises, check your current range of motion. A simple test is the knee-to-wall drill. Stand facing a wall, place your toes a few inches away, and try to touch your knee to the wall without lifting your heel. If it's difficult, you may have tightness. Understanding your baseline helps track progress and focus your efforts.
Dynamic ankle mobility drills.
Warm up your ankles with dynamic movements that gently stretch and mobilize the joint. Examples include ankle circles, where you rotate your ankles slowly in both directions. Heel-to-toe rocks, where you roll from heels to toes while standing, also help activate multiple muscles. Repeat each movement for 10 to 15 repetitions per side for best results.
Static stretches for flexibility.
Static stretching targets tight muscles and improves long-term range of motion. Try a calf stretch against a wall. Step 1 foot back, keep your heel down, and lean forward to feel the stretch. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. The seated towel stretch, pulling your toes back with a towel, is another effective move.
Tips for safe and effective progress.
Stretch and mobilize your ankles regularly, ideally after a brief warm-up. Never force a stretch or push through pain. Gradual progress is key, and combining flexibility work with balance exercises enhances overall results. If you have persistent pain, consult a healthcare professional before continuing.